Mommy, stop! What are you doing?
Why you tell me what me I do? The man say we must drink bleach.
Mommy, what are you talking about? You can't be drinking bleach. That will kill you.
The man say we fi drink bleach.
What man tell you to drink that? You can't listen to man. You listen to the doctor. What if you drank that now? What would you do? What would I do? I can't drive, you know? You would stay here and die and I would have to bury you outside.
I never know. Stop.
Mom, don't drink bleach. Listen to the doctor. If you're feeling sick, you go and you get tested and the doctors will take it from there. You don't drink bleach because a man say you're supposed to drink bleach. Don't ever do that again, Mama.